Mitnik Machine Parts MMP brand is the worldwide leader. Bulldozer and excavator undercarriage manufacturer, about 10 years old in replacement parts and original parts and accessories for engineering machine, construction machine, industrial truck and agricultural equipment. And Mitnik can do OEM and ODM for engineering machine parts. Mitnik Machine Parts MMP, an extensive range of undercarriage parts, GET parts, hydraulic parts, engine parts, electrical parts and other components for crawlers, excavators, dozers, and compact track loaders with brands of Caterpillar, Volvo, Komatsu, Sany, John Deere, Hitachi, Kobelco, Doosan, Hyundai, Case, Bobcat, JCB, Takeuchi, John Deere, Kubota, Volvo and Yanmar etc. Up to now, Mitnik Machine Parts MMP has more than 500 sets of various advanced processing equipment. The company covers an area of 100,000 square meters, with a construction area of more than 80,000 square meters, and more than 500 employees. We are committed to the integration of research and development, production, sales and service. The products are exported to more than 120 overseas countries. We have more than 3 million parts on hand across more than 30,000 different part types covering all makes and models. Mitnik Machine Parts MMP is an excellent source for original and aftermarket components and parts. Mitnik Machine Parts MMP to offer integrated and value-added part supply and full lines of equipment parts solution to our partners and customers with assurance quality parts. Mitnik Machine Parts MMP with one-stop shopping platform for engineering construction machinery parts, as Mitnik have our own factory and storage warehouse, and some parts of them were supplied by our joint stock partnership to ensure to provide excellent products and service to our customers at competitive prices. To offer an excellent source for used, rebuilt, refurbished and aftermarket components and parts. We can provide construction machine, heavy equipment, and related equipment parts, such as road construction machine parts and excavator and bulldozer parts etc. Our company has established a complete quality control system. We have several labs with all kinds of mechanic and chemical property testing equipments. We do IQC, IPQC, FQC to guarantee our quality.